Well, hello. Now, are you the lucky owner of the Sony A9? You are? Well, I've got a lovely little Christmas present for you. New firmware, version 4.10. But I hear you ask, what does it do? Well, it solves the problem caused by a specific third-party memory card, which could not be recognised by Sony cameras. Well, what do you know? At least you can rest happily this Christmas knowing that that has been fixed. So how do you go about getting this amazing update? Well, go to the Sony website of your choice. On this occasion, it's sony.co.uk. Grab yourself a nice cup of tea, sit back and relax while you download the firmware. Now here's the thing, be patient with it. Follow through these instructions step by step, and whatever you do, don't turn the camera off until it's been completed. Sometimes once it's run through, you think it's done, and it sits there and sits, and you'll get tempted to turn it off, but don't. Just let it linger, sometimes 20-30 minutes. Try and use the USB cable that came with the camera. But I hear you cry, they're all the same. That's as maybe, but if you do brick your camera because you used a USB cable from your Sony PlayStation or your Xbox, that could be an excuse for them not to honour the warranty. So just make sure that you use the one that came with your camera. And when all is said and done, maybe it's a good idea to do this update after Christmas if you've got a big event planned, because you never know, firmware updates always carry that small little risk. But there you go, A9 users, you are firmwared up for Christmas. And as usual guys, it's been emotional.